Today is the day we take the engine out. I've disconnected the hood. Starter and dust seal is next. And I got a couple pages here of stuff to do. And then what happens is I've got a couple people showing up to help me hoist the engine right out. We're getting there. So I'm looking for there's my bell housing bolts, the back side on it, 4 of them. It up? The drive shaft. Here's where we are now. Engine's out, transmission's sitting under the truck. It's sitting right there. So now we're taking a break. Having a bit of a lunch, and then getting it onto an engine stand. We're getting somewhere. She's going on the engine stand. Then the teardown begins. Well, here's how I'm leaving it today. Oops, forgot that.